Hey guys, have you ever wanted to try on clothes without leaving your home? Here is your photo. This is a shirt you selected from an e-commerce platform. And here is the result using the technology. Amazing, isn't it? This is Virtual Try-On, a revolutionary feature in fashion brought to you by Kling AI. Let's dive in and explore it together today. First, visit the Kling AI website. Open your browser, enter the URL, and press enter to get started. Next, click on the AI Images option in the menu. Then click on AI Virtual Try-On at the top. Here, we have two important steps. First, uploading your garment, and second, selecting your model. First, upload your garment. You can choose between single garment or multiple garments, depending on your needs. If you're working with multiple garments, you can upload the top and bottom pieces separately. For the best results, upload a clear garment image with a white background and simple details. Avoid complex backgrounds, multiple garments, or text overlays. Now click on Single Garment to proceed. You can upload your own garment or simply select one from the hints section below. And now I'll upload my own garment. Here are the garment samples I've prepared, downloaded directly from Etsy.com. And now I'll try it with this shirt. The AI will load the image and automatically recognize it as a top. And now, let's scroll down to the next step, which is selecting a model. Here you can see a selection of pre-made models. These models are ideal for creating mock-ups, especially if you're selling print-on-demand (POD) products. If you want to be the model, you can upload your own photo. Next, select the number of images you'd like to generate using the slider. Once you're ready, hit Generate to see the results. And here are the results. Amazing, isn't it? And if you want to turn this image into a video, you can simply click on the Bring to Life option. And then, the browser will take you to the Image to Video feature with a pre-written prompt, a model turning around to show the outfit. All you need to do now is hit Generate and you're done. And here is the final result. So amazing. Kling AI has introduced the groundbreaking Virtual Try-On feature, a game changer in the fashion industry. Whether you're a business owner looking to enhance your offerings or a customer seeking convenience, this feature delivers immense value. It's a strategic and innovative step forward for Kling AI. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more exciting content. See you in the next one.